the take profit, guys. Look at the take profit. I'm making about 60,000 in about 5 minutes with Sophia. Now, this is a real account. You know, we are the only one with a real account. Those are the facts. Look at the equity. Look at the equity still going up, guys. Already, I deposited about 12,000 rands last week. This is in rands, guys. I deposited 12,000 and I made 500,000 in about a week. Guys, you can see the withdrawal is 0. Allow me, guys, to close the trades because I can't actually withdraw the amount without closing the trades. Allow me to close those trades which are running so as we can withdraw, guys. I'm now on 70,000. You can check the time. You can check everything here, guys. Let's see. You can see everything. Like I said, I'm making about 75,000 rands right now. And guess what? We don't hide the broker. We want you to see everything. Look at this, guys. This is XM broker. You know the broker. We don't use SA brokers. Come on. We don't use fly by nights. Look at this. This is the real things. Look at the take profit, guys. With Sophia. This is too much, guys. Allow me to close some of the trades so as we can withdraw. You can see withdrawal is still 0. Let me withdraw everything. I think enough is enough. It's enough. Look how I'm closing. And guess what? This is on a real account, guys. And now I'm closing all the trades. I'm closing. Allow me to pause, guys, as I'm gonna be making the withdrawal. I'll come back in just a moment. Guys, I'm done with the withdrawal, guys. This is the remaining balance, and I withdraw about 435,000. I withdraw about 435,000 from the deposit of 12,000. I made 500,000. Now I am left with this amount. Like I can show you the history. Look. And guess what? Obviously, you can only withdraw the real account, guys. You can see the brokers. We are not hiding anything. Using Sophia, the mother of all Forex robots, guys. Look at this. I'm done. Guys, from your guy here, Classic Forex Trader. Out, guys. I'm out, like I said. Out.